Let's be real, most millennials are playing catch-up with their finances. We graduated with student loans, entered a shaky job market, and avocado toast doesn't pay for itself. But here's the good news. You can change your financial future. You can achieve the freedom to live on your own terms. It starts with taking control of your money. Forget what you heard about get-rich-quick schemes. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart choices consistently, starting today. Ignore the noise about market timing or the next hot stock. Focus on what you can control: your savings rate, your investments, and your mindset. This is how you build real, lasting wealth. This isn't just about numbers in a bank account. This is about designing your dream life. Want to travel the world, start a business, retire early? It all begins with taking control of your finances. The first step? Education. Equip yourself with the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions. Let's get started. Investing can feel overwhelming. Where do you even begin? That's where the Decide framework comes in. This simple system helps you make smart financial choices no matter your starting point. Define your goals. What do you want your money to do for you? Buy a house, fund your dream trip, retire early? Get specific and write down your goals. Estimate costs. How much will those goals actually cost? Do your research. Create a plan. Break down your big goals into smaller, actionable steps. How much do you need to save each month? Investigate investment options. Explore different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and understand the risks and potential returns. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to manage risk. Evaluate and adjust. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed to stay on track towards your goals. This framework helps you approach investing with clarity and purpose. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making your money work for you so you can achieve your long-term goals. Imagine this: you invest $100 today and it earns a 7% annual return. After 1 year, you have $107. Not bad, right? But here's where it gets interesting. Compound interest. In year 2, you earn 7% on $107, not just the original $100. This snowball effect continues year after year. Over time, compound interest becomes your best friend. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Let's say you start investing $500 per month at age 25. Assuming a 7% annual return, you'd have over $1 million by age 65. That's the power of starting early. But I'm not ready to invest large sums yet, you might say. That's okay. Even small, consistent investments add up over time. The key is to start now, however small that first step may be. You'll thank yourself later. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert to start investing. In fact, you can automate your investments and watch your money grow effortlessly. Here's how: micro-investing apps. These apps let you invest with as little as $5. They round up your everyday purchases and invest the spare change. It's a painless way to start building good habits. Robo-advisors. These platforms build and manage a diversified investment portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance and goals. They're perfect for hands-off investors. If your employer offers a 401k match, take full advantage. It's free money. Roth IRAs are another great option for tax-advantaged retirement savings. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. This pay yourself first mentality ensures you're consistently investing before you even have a chance to spend the money. Remember, the key is to make investing a habit, not a chore. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my next video for more tips on achieving financial independence. Share your thoughts or your investment journey in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Together, let's make 2025 the year we crush our financial goals here at Ethics Corner.